Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make audio ID public in Roblox. All right, let's begin. First, open the Roblox website and click on Create in the top menu. On the left side, select Creations, then choose Development Items and click on Audio. Upload your audio file if you have not already. Once uploaded, find your audio in the list and click on it. On the new page, go to the Configure tab, then scroll down and here click Submit for review. After that, you need to verify your ID. Once verified, scroll down, read the terms carefully, check all the required boxes, and click Submit. Now return to your audio and wait for approval, which usually takes around 24 hours. After approval, enable Distribute on Creator Store and click Save Changes. Make sure your audio is under 6 seconds, otherwise, the public option will not appear. So that's basically how you can make audio ID public in Roblox. And that's it for this video. Thanks.